Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jessica Wicaksana from Petra Christian University, Indonesia. Today, I am delighted to present my paper on the impact of ESG activity on firm valuation, examining the moderating role of COVID-19. Let's dive into the core of my study, and I encourage your questions and contributions along the way. To begin, I will elaborate on our research topic. First, I will provide an explanation for the concept of firm value. Firm value is the strength of a company that describes the company's condition to outside parties. In the modern era, the way to assess a company is not only based on assessment from the investor perspective, but also from the perspective of all stakeholders. With the existence of stakeholders, firm value is influenced from many aspects. One important aspect that influences firm value is ESG activity. With the increasing performance or activity of ESG, companies will be able to increase their financial returns. Increased financial returns will make investors feel more profitable, which will increase investor confidence in the company. With increasing investor confidence, firm value will also increase. Our research purposes are expected to be useful for companies in emerging countries, especially in Indonesia, to consider ESG activities within their companies. This also aims to ensure the visibility and potential of ESG activity to contribute additional values to the company in the future. Apart from that, this research can also be useful for investors in providing an assessment of the company before investing. Our research is based on three primary issues. Number one, from the many studies that have been conducted, it has been proven that there is still no agreement. Many researchers state that there is a positive correlation between ESG scores and financial performance or directly to firm value. However, many researchers also conclude that the correlation between ESG scores and firm value is negative. There may be other factors that cause the correlation between ESG scores and firm value to be inconsistent. Number two, COVID-19 pandemic has had a broad impact on human life, especially in economic aspect. Therefore, the condition of COVID-19 pandemic can influence either directly or indirectly the relationship between ESG activities and firm value that has previously existed. One of the impact experienced by the company was the hindrance of several company activities. This is due to the implementation of social restriction rules during COVID-19. Impacting this, various activities can be detrimental to company stakeholders, and this will cause dissatisfaction from stakeholders. Stakeholders' dissatisfaction will affect the ESG score obtained by the company. The ESG score obtained will influence the firm's assessment. Number three, most of the previous research was conducted in developed countries. Research findings in developed and emerging countries are likely to differ. This can be caused by the many differences between developed and emerging countries. Occur are differences in resources, facilities, education, and etc. Similar research needs to be carried out using data from emerging countries, so that the research result can be more specific and useful. Based on researchers' consideration regarding the lack of previous research discussing the role of COVID-19 in the correlation between ESG activities and firm value. Therefore, the researchers formulated the research question as follows. What is the influence of COVID-19 that moderates the correlation between ESG activities and firm value? In the subsequent section, I will elaborate on the research methodology employed in this study. This research uses data from all companies that have been listed on the LQ45 index for the 2018 to 2022 period as the population. The criteria used in this research are companies that have complete financial reports and ESG score for the period 2018 to 2022. Based on this criteria, 40 companies were obtained during the 2018 to 2022 period. The data used for this research was obtained through financial reports on Bloomberg. The data that has been collected and selected then processed using Gradle software. This hypothesis on this research will be tested using the multiple linear regression method with this following equation. Subsequently, the examiners conducted statistical analysis on a sample of 40 companies over a 5-year period, resulting in a dataset comprising 200 data points. The average firm value of the company studied was 1.65% of total asset, the minimum firm value of 0.11% of total asset, and the maximum firm value of 6.45% of total asset. Given the presence of a dummy variable, it is necessary to conduct two separate descriptive statistical analyses. The first analysis will focus on the period before the COVID-19 pandemic, while the second analysis will examine the period during the pandemic. The average firm value before COVID was 1.84% of total asset, and during COVID it was 1.52% of total asset. This shows that the average value of companies studied was higher before COVID occurred compared to the company value when COVID occurred. However, the minimum firm value before COVID was 0.11% of total asset, and during COVID it was 0.36% of total asset. This shows that firm value during COVID will decrease, but will reach a higher minimum than before COVID. Subsequently, the research team conducted an estimation model test using Gradle software. Growth tests show a number less than 0.05, which means the estimated model used is a fixed effect. The Bruce-Pagan test shows a number less than 0.05, which means the estimation model used is a random effect. The Hausman test shows a number greater than 0.05, which means the estimated model used is a random effect. From the test, we can conclude that the research data was suitable for analysis using random effect. Following the random effect test, here is our result. The table demonstrates that ESG has a negative impact. COVID-19 has a negative impact, while the interaction between ESG and firm value during COVID-19 pandemic is positive. The findings of this research indicate several key observations. Number 1, a company ESG activities hold a relationship with its valuation, in which the higher its ESG activities, the lower its value. Number 2, the company's valuation experienced a decrease during the COVID-19 pandemic compared to pre-pandemic. Number 3, the impact of COVID-19 as the moderating factor on the relationship between ESG activities and company's valuation, with the impact of ESG activity on firm valuation being higher when there is no COVID-19 than when there is COVID-19. The comprehensive conclusion of this paper is visually represented in the graphic provided below. The x-axis represented the ESG variable, while y-axis represented the firm value variable. Two different lines show two contrasting scenarios. The green line shows the situation before COVID, while the orange line shows the situation during the COVID pandemic. Both lines show a negative correlation between ESG and firm value. However, the decline in this correlation was lower during COVID-19 compared to before the COVID-19. The correlation between ESG activities and firm value is negative because the ESG activities carried out will require a lot of funds. The diversion of funds will be considered detrimental to stakeholders and have a negative impact on financial performance. Poor financial performance will decrease firm value. However, with the COVID-19 pandemic as a moderating factor, this correlation has changed. During the pandemic, there's a greater emphasis on sustainability in decision-making. Companies perceived as caring for the environment tend to be favored by stakeholders and show resilience in tough times. As a result, ESG activities have gained more significance during the pandemic compared to pre-pandemic times. In summary, the adverse impact of ESG activity on firm value was less pronounced during COVID-19 than before the pandemic. Here is a presentation on our research. We sincerely hope that this research will be beneficial to all of us. Your participation and insights have been incredibly valuable. We express our deepest gratitude. Thank you.